Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can tell if your device is compatible with CapCut PC. So just go to menu and select back to homepage, and here you're going to select the settings tab. Then you're going to select the settings tab again, and then here you are going to select actually I don't think it's here, never mind. Select this, sorry, and then go to environment testing. I forgot completely where it was. Go to environment testing, and it's going to test the environment to see if your device is compatible with CapCut PC. Obviously mine is because I've used it for a long time. But before you even start on a new project, make sure you select environment testing so you can see if your CapCut can run if your computer can run CapCut smoothly. I'm so sorry. Anyways, that is it. Just like confirm. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.